Hello, friends! Blue school bus goes beep, beep, beep. Panda brother, panda sister, take a seat. Zebra friend jumps, clap, clap, clap. Little bunny pet goes hop, hop, hop. Four best friends are ready to ride, smiling faces side by side. Wave your hands and sing with me. School bus fun for family. Ijayal factory, lion trainer seen. Lion trainer says, hello my team. Girl doll or boy doll, choose your dream. Panda sister says, girl doll please. Everyone claps, yes, yes, yes. Girl doll comes in white dress clean, soft and shiny, pretty queen. Color machine goes round and round, pink and yellow colors found. Thread machine, stitch, stitch, stitch. Everyone glucks, cat on head. Girl doll ready, happy spread. Panda brother laughs with cheer. Zebra friend says, so cute my dear. Cattle road, barrier seen. Blue school bus stops on the way. Barrier says, enter number today. Panda brother types tap tap. Gate goes up, clap clap clap. Bus moves forward smooth and slow. Bunny pet shouts, let's go go go. Zebra friend waves to the tree. Happy ride for you and me. Little panda brother says, apple time. Big red apple looks so fine. Cut, 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 round and neat. Apple slices look so sweet. Zebra friend brings orange bright. Bunny pet brings kiwi green delight. Wash, 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 fruits clean and clear. Healthy food is good, my dear. Panda sister takes bread and cream. Decorate plate, yummy dream. Star and flower shape so nice. Food looks wow, super spice. Bear teacher comes and says, good job! Sit together, eat, don't rob. Panda brother, panda sister, eat with care. Zebra friend shares, bunny pet shares. Juice sip, sip, and bite, bite, bite. Happy tummy feels so light. Everyone laughs and claps again. Best, best day for animal friends. Blue school bus says time to go. Wave bye bye, slow, slow, slow. Like and subscribe, come again. School bus friends say the end. Hello, friends!